हेलो बच्चों। सो हमारा जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का पार्ट चल रहा है, एक्सरसाइज 8.4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 ऑलरेडी डन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, that is your evaluate. What we need to evaluate here, first is sine square 63 degree plus sine square 27 degree divided by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. So we are going to use the identities here. You must remember cos square a plus sin square a must be equal to always 1. 1 plus tan square a must be equal to always sec square a, and the last one is cot square a plus 1 must be equal to cosec square a. Now we can use this because in the function there is sine and cos. So we will use the identity. We will just apply this first one. Since we can say that sine square can be written as sine square 90 minus theta. Do you remember this one? Sine 90 minus theta is your cos theta, right? So plus sine square 27 degree divided by cos we need to convert also. So cos we can write down cos square 90 minus 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Here we are going to use cos 90 minus theta must be equal to sin theta. Okay, so sin square 90 minus theta will give you, with respect to this identity, it will give you cos square. Since here the theta is 63 degree, so cos square 63 degree will give you cos square 27 degree plus sin square 27 degree divided by cos square 90 minus 17, that will be sin theta. So sin square 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Now we can use this first formula. Both will become 1. Since cos, this theta is same for both of them, and we can write down. So cos, this is cos, this is 90, and this will be your theta. So cos 90 minus theta will give you sin theta. This is your identity. Okay, so this is your question number 3. I hope you understand. So we are going to discuss the second part of this question. The second part is saying sine 25 degree multiply by cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree sine 65 degree. So this is type of question given in the book. Now since 25 plus 65, it's kind of complementary pair. So either we can convert sine or we can convert cos into sine. So we will use sine 90 minus 65 degree cos 65 degree. In this also, since we have converted cos sine into cos in this portion, so we need to convert cos into sine in this portion, so we can use the identity later on. So sine 90 minus 65 degree sine 65 degree. So this is by using formula. Which formula it is? Sine 90 minus theta is your cos theta. 25 can be written as 90 minus 65. So then we can apply this formula, and cos 90 minus theta is your sin theta. By applying this formula in this equation, what we will get? Sine will change to cos by using this formula. Cos 65 degree, cos 65 degree उससे multiplication में plus sin 65 degree और उससे multiplication में sin 65 degree. So it will become cos into cos, that will cos square 65 degree plus sine square 65 degree. Now this is basic identity, any angle plus sine square any angle but remain same must be equal to 1. So then answer will again comes out 1. That's all. This will be your answer. Remember, you need a little bit practice of this formulas, like sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So what you need to do, if it is given 63 degree in this question and the other one is 27 degree, so you need to write down 63 in forms of 27. So you can write down 90 minus 63 and that 90 minus 63 then again written as 27, which we have done in another steps. Now we are going to discuss the question number 4th here. Question number 4th, let me check. The question number 4 is your MCQ. In the board exam, the MCQs are going to come. So the first one is 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. So after looking at this square thing, we can easily identify the formula. Either sec we need to convert it into tan or tan we need to convert into sec. So we need a simple formula, 1 plus tan square a must be equal to sec square a. Now apply this formula into one, only one, not in both. Otherwise sec will convert into tan and tan will convert into sec. That's not helpful. So what we need to do, 1 plus tan square a, 1 plus tan square a minus 9 tan square a. When you open it, 9 cross multiply it and then cross multiply it, plus 9 tan square a minus 9 tan square a. So this will cancel out, the answer will 9. This will be your answer. So using this identity we can solve it, and remember only one you have to change, not both of them. So let's go ahead with question number 4, second part. The second part is saying 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta multiply by 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So what we need to do here, since there is no square given and this type of question where no square is given, I'm writing here trick, convert everything into a sine and cosine function. Sine and cosine. So how you can convert? There is always a formula for that. For example, I can write down this step like that, 1 plus tan theta. The formula of tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta or sine upon cos, plus sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta and multiply by 1 plus cot theta. Cot theta is the inverse of tan theta, so inverse of cos theta into sine theta, right? So cos theta upon sine theta minus cosec theta, so cosec can be written as sine theta, like that. Now what step we will follow? We will take down the LCM. So LCM will be cos theta. If we take the LCM cos theta, this will become cos theta plus sine theta will remain sine theta, cos plus cos theta, so it will cancel out, then it will 1. Now same thing is here, sine theta we have to take down the LCM. So sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. The next step will be very easy for that. The next step what we have to do, so in the next step we are going to use this kind of formula which is very important for this exercise. A plus b multiplied by a minus b is always equal to a square minus b square. Very, very important. So here we are going to consider this part is a and this part is again a, sin theta plus cos theta or cos theta plus sin theta, same thing. This is your b and this is 1 is your b. So we can apply the formula a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So we can write down cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square divided by cos theta sin theta. I hope you get it. Now we are going ahead. Open the square. So how we can open the square? A plus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. You have heard about it, 2ab, not cos theta. So we can write down cos theta plus sin theta. Cos is your a, sin is your b. So cos square theta a square plus sin square theta b square means plus 2ab. It means 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 square, 1 का square 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. Now you can see we can use identity because here the thetas are coming with the square. So this is your identity that could be written as 1 plus 2 sin or 2 cos theta sin theta, same thing, minus 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. Now what you can do, 1 will get cancelled out and it will become 2 cos theta sin theta divided by cos theta sin theta. Here you can cancel out this, so it will become 2, your answer. Very tough question for someone, but you can check out. It's a very hard MCQ. Maybe it will come in 3 marks only. So the question was 1 plus tan theta sec plus sec theta, 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Since there is no identity we can use here, so we have to convert it into sin and cos theta. When we are converting, tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta and sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Same for cot theta, cos theta by sin theta and cosec theta 1 by sin theta. Now we can take the LCM. In this process we can take the LCM. When we take the LCM, the cos theta will comes out like that, and then we can use identity. A plus b, a minus b gives a square minus b square. When you open the formula by a square plus b square plus 2ab, you will get this thing and the answer will be this. I hope you understand. You need a practice for that questions. Kindly practice it and you will understand better. So let's do the third part. The third part is, actually this is question number 4. So sec a plus tan a 1 minus sin a. We need to solve this, okay? So let's do it. First, if there is no square, so we have to convert it into like that, cos a. Sec a can be written as sin a upon cos a, and 1 minus sin a upon 1. So simply it's a very easy one. If we take the LCM, cos a on the above 1 plus sin a, and below here it is 1, that is 1 minus sin a. In the last question we have done the same thing. Here it is a, it is b, and here it is a and it is b. So 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a, that will be your 1 square minus sin square a divided by cos a. So if we go ahead, 1 minus sin square a, what is that? The first identity of squaring. Very easy identity. That will be your cos square a and divided by cos a. So if above it is written x square and below it is written x, so x 1 cancel and the x will remain. So same thing is happening here also. Since above it is cos square a and below it is cos a, so we will cancel 1 cos a and the answer will be cos a answer. Let's do the question number 4 then. 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a. You must understand this. 1 plus tan square a can be written as sec square a and 1 plus cot square a can be written as cosec square a. Since we have to convert it into sine, so 1 upon cos square a, sec square can be written as 1 upon cos square a, and this can be written as sine square a, cosec reciprocal, and this will becomes reciprocal. So it will goes like that, and the answer will be tan square a, because we know that